Alright, so what are you doing today?
Well, I'm trying some lights out here, but yeah, these work. There's two. But these, I don't know how they work because there's a lot of wires. I'm gonna try one and see here what we got going. I like these. I like
Actual size to scale.
they're close probably.
Yeah.
Well, you got 3 wires. And this flashing one, this one I can't figure out. There's 4 wires. And if I touch 2 of them, I have red lights. There's a red
I
light.
see red, yeah, on both sides.
But no matter what I touch together on the rest of them, I don't get any lights.
Maybe they're burnt.
Where'd
you get these?
This was in all the stuff I got from a guy.
Oh. Okay, you got 3 wires on this guy.
Okay.
Should be simple. You just...
Yeah, they're all 3 different lengths. They're not stripped.
Oh no.
I'll have to strip these. There's another one with... And see, they had all those wires and then they go on to another one.
Here's another one. This has 4 wires.
Yeah,
Try that stoplight out.
Okay. Looks like they've only got those 2 stripped.
That's yellow.
Oh, it's yellow. Well, those aren't stripped, so the yellow one works on that one. Here's another one. Oh, this is the end of the line here.
Okay, I just stripped those 2.
Okay.
Green.
Green. Bet the bulbs will burn out on that other one. So
That looks like way... Well, maybe not way too tall. Stoplights are taller, like... I don't know if you can see that. It's above like the roof. So yeah, that would be, I guess, the right size. It just looks huge.
yes, yellow. Ah, you hold these. Okay.
They're kind of all wound together. Okay. Oh, I'm not looking at it. There. Green.
Okay, that must be the common one.
You may hold it.
Got it. So we got green. And then we should have green. Nothing. Oh, green again, isn't it? Oh, green. That's weird. Okay, hold that one. No,
Nothing.
no,
Only green.
only green on that one.
Weird.
Yeah, so I don't know.
All right, so we played with lights and went down that rabbit hole for a minute, but what all are you doing here today in order to get both of those buildings?
This one here,
Running
what I
on.
want to do is I want to cut this. These are some little clips that come with the just the light hub called Just Plug. I don't need to put a whole nother hub in, but I've got plenty of extra stuff, wires you can hook up and run, which that's what I did. I plugged in and came out, and I'm going to pick up power from this. It's feeding this one, so it should feed both buildings. It all comes off of one of these hubs, but my hub that's underneath feeding, I got four lights that'll come off of it. They're full, so because I've got 4 buildings. So instead of doing a hub for just one, I'm just going to piggyback onto this one.
Will
since
that
it's right
take
here.
the voltage down low enough that the lights might flicker? Or
I don't know. We'll
don't-
see. That's, I think, mainly with the Menards. This is, let me unplug this.
different system.
It's a different system. Hopefully it'll be fine because these have dimmers. You can actually turn the lights down. So I may not be using these. I may just get rid of these. Possibly some of these that just have 2 wires, but most of them have been broken. So, I mean, they can be glued back together or epoxied.
Yep.
And those are nice just to put out, even if you don't have them flashing. But these all work. These are all some nice big street. And I thought I'd drill down through and put these along the town there. I think I've got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Light
5,
up the
6,
strip.
7. That'll light up that street. And that should do it. And then I'll get all these back down. This is, we just showed this the other day. This is the new building we got. Working it in here. But we had that garage, or the gas station there. We just moved it forward to the corner because that didn't look as good on the corner.
Need to level some foundations.
Yeah,
Get some buildings in there.
I've got to
Finally.
get some
Resting places.
stuff underneath them and then taper them. Yeah, this one, well, it's got a busted area too, so I probably won't keep these.
That's what you get. Getting used. I almost said pinball parts.
Well, these would be fine if I had instructions, and I could probably, it says made in China on them, but you'd have to find the right one to see how do these 3 wires hook up. 3 wires, 3 wires, 3 wires.
It may also be flashers too.
Yeah, they
that
probably
goes
flash
bing,
back
bing,
and
bing,
forth.
bing, and
It probably
that's-
takes a special power supply to run those.
Yeah, I don't know.
And I'm not even sure about these. Look, it goes on to the next one. This one.
Oh,
And there's the
maybe.
end.
So if one's red, the other's green. That might be how
Look, 4 wires.
they talk to each other.
And of course, this was on a setup. This one's busted. This one's not, but I'm not going to worry about these either. So I have these available if somebody's interested in them. These I may go ahead and put on there. They're only 2 wire, and they work. So maybe down there around that parking lot, it's right here. Maybe I'll put those 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that'd be kind of neat.
Yeah, that might look all right.
Yep.
Those 2 are busted. I'm gonna have to put some of that good 600 glue. But they should be all right. Okay, well that'll be the plan then.
All right.
These are gonna
so
go-
you're gonna time lapse doing all the lighting and changing over the wires, or is that good enough for what you're doing? Did that explain to the viewers at home how you're doing that?
Yeah, like I say, I'm just gonna hook these 2 into here, and that one into there, and because this is feeding the power to it, so we'll just come out of that and go on and feed that one, and then come in here and feed that one as well.
Daisy chain them together.
Yeah, I'm just splicing in power.
Gotcha. You'll put 2 in one side and
Yeah.
the power.
And
coming
had
together.
had this one been down there, this one has an open slot. It's only got 3 lights. I could have just plugged into it to run that, but I'm not.
I'm not sure how that'll turn out, but we'll see.
Yeah. So that should do it.
All right.
All right. Thanks.
Thanks for watching Clark's Place. Bye bye.
Bye bye.